Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once more for another video. I'm back and I am so back. I know I've been gone for so long, but that was such a well-deserved break. A lot of things were not going according to plan. I tried to shoot before and things just went wrong with my laptop, so I've been having laptop problems. But you guys, I am back and I am so back. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually, why does it look like I forgot my routine? What? Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Yes, please don't forget to comment any other tips that you have in the comment section below for other kids. Let's just hook each other up with information that's going to be useful towards making that catching and flipping that money. So yeah guys, let's get right straight into it. So I'm going to teach you how to make money online using this one simple website, but I want to caution you against going right in for it. Like, head in first. I want to caution you. So I've seen people do this little mistake of skipping the specific steps that I mentioned in this video, and they go right straight to this website and try to do it, but they end up failing. They end up not signing up because they get discouraged by what they see on the website. So stick with me. I'll tell you how to exactly to do this step by step. So the website I want you guys to go to is called studypool.com. This is a website that has literally 1 million monthly visitors worldwide. And the main website visitors on this website are people from the USA. And this is like a learning platform where you can teach anything. But don't worry, you don't have to study or pay anything. You will be on this website to offer your services where you'll be making money. So let me just show you on the website what the website looks like. As you guys can see, I'm already on the website here. So the name of the website, right, it's called Study Pool. So as you go down on the website here, you can see it's written micro tutoring, online tutoring help from varied tutors 24/7 on demand. You can post a question there. Featured subjects. Please don't let this intimidate you. So if you feel like there's a subject that you know, if there's a subject that you feel like you're good at, and obviously you guys can see the variety that's here. It's really a lot of things. It's from rocket science, linear engineering, chemical engineering, macroeconomics, and it goes into things like immunology, literature, JavaScript, international law, communications even, and Spanish. Like everything from science to business to law to humanities, everything you can think about. So it's just a little bit of everything for everybody. So here, as you scroll down from the website, there's a page I want to show you guys. There it states the full subjects that they normally offer. This is for the students, and you can go up here to become a tutor. When you are on become a tutor, I just want to show you how well put together this website is. It's a very good website. It's reputable, and here it says that earn money for answering homework questions and up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home tutoring students. And as you go down here, also another thing is that this website is trusted by Forbes. It was listed in one of the Forbes publications. So this is a trusted website, and it says here lowest service fees. So starting at 20%, they charge 20% of whatever you make, and reliable income. You can make a good reliable income from this website because they do know that they have clients that they will keep on getting for you. And it says full freedom and flexibility, which means that you are free. You can choose your own schedule. You do not have a boss. You do not have to wake up at 9 o'clock or 5 o'clock because you have a class at 6 o'clock. You choose your own schedule. And it shows you here highest earners, which is something I wanted to show you guys. People like Henry Professor are making $500,000 from this website. 500,000, guys. And that is a lot of money. And here you guys see the reviews. I have experienced I have experience as a tutor, especially in the science and medicine, for over 4 years. My other fields of knowledge include history, Excel, writing, and psychology. I always help students in a timely manner. Study pool really differentiates itself from other sites because it keeps me engaged with their bidding system and with their responsive team. And as you guys can see here, it states that the popular tutor countries: Canada, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Africa, my country, Ukraine, United States, Vietnam, and Zambia. So these are countries where most of the tutors come from. So if you're from South Africa, because I know majority of my viewers are from South Africa, whoop whoop, great for you. And I know other African countries too. So if you're from Nigeria, Zambia, then you can definitely sign up here. But if you're not from these countries too, I would suggest that you also actually apply. Don't get discouraged by the popular tutors. It just means that the most tutors come from this country. It doesn't mean that you'll get rejected based on the country that you come from. So yeah, guys, so if you guys feel like there is something that the subjects that are listed here, for example, you do not know how you will even begin to tutor, I want you guys to take an initiative and you can start learning how to write. For example, you can learn about the subject of writing, just look at one of the subjects here, maybe that you can take interest in, something that you'll enjoy learning, and maybe go to YouTube and start searching that, and you could become a tutor based on that. You can also go on Udemy. Udemy has free courses. You do not have to pay a single cent. It's not every course where you have to pay, and you can definitely learn a lot. In fact, YouTube itself, you can definitely learn a lot from a lot of different people with different backgrounds, and so you guys should just check out this website. But before checking out this website, just see the different fields from here. As you guys can see, people want to learn Excel. Excel is definitely something that you can definitely learn from YouTube. I've learned most of my Excel skills that I use at work from YouTube. Then there's also humanities, African studies. You can learn things about African studies on YouTube. You can learn it on the internet. You can read about it. Baking and cooking. You guys, there are women in here and even men that know how to cook and bake very, very well. You can just go touch up your knowledge, of course, and maybe just learn how to put things in a professional way, learn certain terms and things like that, and you can be on your way to teaching that subject. Mathematics, some of you are really good at mathematics, and it's as if you were born with that talent. Programming too, there are people that work for programming companies. You can make a lot of money from teaching Python and R, which are the most basics. MATLAB to MySQL, because I know you can also find MySQL on Udemy as a course, and you can definitely find some free MySQL courses. Even YouTube has like 5-hour courses on MySQL or even Python or R. I don't know about the other programming languages, but yeah. And science and writing. So I think you guys get the gist of this. So just don't give up on yourself. Don't just say, no, I do not know engineering, I do not know mathematics. Just go out and check subjects here. There are subjects that you wouldn't even think about, like international trade. It's something that you can definitely learn from the internet. So just go out there and try to learn some of these things and come back here and apply. But before that, if you think there's something that you're really capable of, you can go ahead and sign up here. Say sign up, where you go to sign up. Let me just show you guys quickly. Then you say become a tutor. You create an account. You can either use Google, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you're already on LinkedIn, it's good to link your profile from here. Maybe especially if the subject that you're trying to teach is something that you have probably a degree in. If you have like maybe a degree in teaching natural science, for example, for primary school learners, then you can put natural science, and you can sign up with a LinkedIn account, so that if anyone from the team here at studypool.com tries to access your account, they can see that you on LinkedIn and you actually have a qualification in that thing, which is going to be a boost for your profile. And yeah, guys, think that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you so much for 300 subscribers. Actually, we just literally on 400 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I left for 2 weeks and you guys literally doubled my numbers. Thank you so much. We are becoming a team, up and up and up. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.